Hello children, welcome back to the science class. In this session we are going to see about unit 4 or environment activities. Let's see the activities. First activity we'll see think about the objects in your home. It is living things or non-living things. Think of the objects in your home. Just keep in mind the books, toys, furniture, food materials, and even pets of your home. These living and non-living things together make your home. Look at the following picture and list out the living and non-living things. Already you know that living things and non-living things. Non-living things called abiotic factors. And abiotic factors are non-living parts such as sunlight, air, water and minerals in soil. Living things are biotic factors. Biotic factors are living things of our environment such as plants, animals, bacteria and more. So, you can easily identify in your home which one living things and non-living things. Try this in your home. Let's see aquarium and terrarium. What is aquarium? Aquarium is a place in which fish and other water creatures and plants are maintained. An aquarium can be a small tank or a large building with one or more large tanks. This is artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystems are created and maintained by human. They have some of the characteristics of natural ecosystems. So aquarium is a place in which fish and other water creatures and plants are maintained. An aquarium can be a small tank or a large building with one or more large tanks. Next, terrarium. Terrarium is a place in which live terrestrial animals and plants are kept. Plants and animals are kept in a terrarium with controlled conditions that copy their natural environment. Aquarium and terrariums are used to observe animals and plants more closely. They are also used for decorations. Next activity, take a square paper, fold its diagonals. Draw 3 lines in 3 triangles as shown in the picture. Cut from the edge of the diagonal to the center as shown in the picture. If you fold this triangle and paste behind the third triangle, you get a pyramidal shape. In one of the triangles, draw images of each of the organisms in the different levels. In another triangle, write the names of the organisms. In the last triangle, write the energy level of the organism. Have a look at the following example. You must come up with different organisms. See this picture, our environment. Our environment is everything around us. That is called environment. An ecosystem is a community made up of living organisms and non-living components. That is ecosystem. In our ecosystem and our environment, pollution, food chain and food web, 3 R principle, non-biodegradable and biodegradable things. First we'll see pollution. When something harmful or poisonous is added to the environment, that is polluted in our environment. Next, food chain and food web. This is important one. The flow of energy and nutrients, that is food chain and food web. Next, 3R principle. This is also important one. Idea of shifting from a mass consumption society. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Next, biodegradable waste. Materials which can be broken down by bacteria, fungi and earthworms. These things are biodegradable waste. Vegetable waste, home waste, etc. Next, non-biodegradable waste. Materials that cannot be broken down by the action of living organisms like bacteria, fungi and earthworms. Next activity, take 2 mud pots or glass jars and fill them up with garden soil. In the first pot, mix weights such as banana peel, some vegetable peels and a few tree leaves into the soil. In the second pot, mix a piece of plastic carry bag, sweet wrapper and metal foils into the soil. What happened to the waste materials placed in both parts? Do you notice a difference between first and second part? Yes, first part filled with biodegradable waste and second part filled with non-biodegradable waste. So wait, observe the changes over 2 weeks and discuss yourself. Creative reuse. Creative reuse or upcycling is the process of converting waste materials or useless products into new materials or products of better quality or for better environmental value. When you upcycle, you are giving an item a new purpose. For example, used tires into chairs and used PET bottle into pen stand. Like waste paper or any other stationary things, you can make a new useful things. Try this one. How much waste does each person make around the world every day? Do you know? Yes, the average person in India products 0.45 kilogram of waste every day. It may be small amount of waste, but listen carefully. The average person in India produces 0.45 kilogram of waste every day. It may be small amount of waste, but India has a large population and imagine you collected all the waste today and put it into tractors. Just imagine you would fill so many tractors that you could create a traffic jam approximately 2,800 kilometers long. Imagine a road all the way from Kanyakumari to New Delhi completely blocked with tractors carrying garbage and no space to walk in between. This is how much waste we create in India each day. If you reduce the waste, we reduce the population. India produces 532 million kilos of solid waste every day. Children, just imagine. So, reduce your wastage. Kenya, see this picture. Kenya every day 0. 30 kilogram of waste, produced waste. Next, India, every day, already you know that every day India produces 0.45 kilogram of waste. Next, China 0.63 kilogram of waste, and Germany per day 1.69 kilogram of waste a person, one person, and US 2.58 kilogram of waste. Next important one, preparation of vermicompost. Already you know that how we can prepare vermicompost. Vermicompost is a natural fertilizer, so we can use in our home plants. The procedures: dig a pit for about 1 feet depth in the backyard or garden of your home or school. Fill the pit by bio-waste like vegetable peels, tree leaves, and other paper and food wastage. Place few earthworms in it. Sprinkle water and close the place with jute or cardboard and ensure moisture all the time. After 45 days, the vermicasting layer forms just above the pit. These castings will be applied to the plant. This contains water-soluble nutrients. This type of compost helps in plant growth as well as sustain the land's fertility. So try this preparation of vermicompost from your home. Okay children, try these all activities from your home. Thank you. We'll see the next session.